Understanding power level, an essential English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, power level. This term pops up in various contexts, from everyday conversation to popular media. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your own conversations. So, let's dive in. The phrase, power level, originally comes from manga and anime. It refers to a quantitative measure of a character's strength or ability. Think of it like a score in a video game. However, the term has transcended its original context and is now used more broadly. In today's language, power level is often used metaphorically. It can describe someone's skill, influence, or ability in a specific area. For example, if someone is a great cook, you might say their cooking power level is high. This playful usage makes the phrase popular among various age groups. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. Her negotiation skills have a high power level, making her an asset in business deals. 2. As a musician, his power level has really increased over the years. These examples show how power level can be adapted to different contexts, highlighting someone's proficiency or growth in a particular field. And that's a wrap on power level. It's a versatile phrase that adds a touch of fun and creativity to your English conversations. Whether you're talking about skills, hobbies, or professional abilities, this term can be a great addition to your vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has powered up your English learning journey.